If you've been wanting to build your own website in 2025 but don't know where to start, this walkthrough is going to make it incredibly simple. Hostgator is one of the most user-friendly platforms out there, and in just a few minutes, you'll see exactly how to launch a site from scratch. No tech background required. First, open your web browser and head over to hostgator.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your login credentials and you'll land on your account overview. From here, find the Hostgator home section. This is your main dashboard where you can access everything related to your hosting plan. It's laid out in a way that keeps things simple and easy to navigate. Next, click on the Websites or Website tab. This takes you to the area where you manage and build sites. This is where you'll create something new. Look for the button that says Add Site. Go ahead and click it. This is the starting point for building your website. Hostgator will now ask for a few basic details. Enter your website name and any additional information it requests. These details help set up your branding and layout correctly, so type carefully, but don't overthink. Most of this can be edited later if needed. Once your information is in, click Continue. Hostgator will handle the rest of the setup behind the scenes. It only takes a moment, and there's nothing technical you need to configure. As soon as that's done, your brand new website is officially created. At this point, you can start customizing your pages, adding content, and choosing a design that matches your style or business. HostGator's built-in tools make editing incredibly intuitive, so you can focus on how your site looks and functions rather than wrestling with code. And that's all it takes to launch a website with HostGator in 2025. You've just gone from zero to a live site in a few quick steps. If this was helpful and you want more tutorials like this, whether it's customizing your theme, connecting a domain, or adding features, stick around and explore the channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck creating something amazing.